Let's take a look at the upgraded Luca and how it makes preparing financial statements even faster and smarter. Start by logging in with your registered email and password. Once you're in, click Start New Financial Statement. Select your country and key in your UEN. Then choose your accounting standard, either SFRS for SE or SFRS with Companies Act. Our SFRS with Companies Act option has adapted the ISCA Illustrated Financial Statement with permission from ISCA. If there are any updates to the standards, we'll handle them. You can just rest easy and let Luca do the work. Click Next, and you'll see your company details, including the financial year. Check through the information and make changes if needed. If everything looks good, we'll move on to load your data into Luca. For this, you'll need to upload 3 documents: the prior year's opening trial balance, the prior year GL summary, and the current year GL summary. These should be in total debits and credits format. Once uploaded, Luca will prompt you to specify the column headers for each file. Next, it's time to map your accounts to FS-level accounts. Here's where Luca's Intelligent Mapper kicks in. It automatically maps your accounts, and you just need to review and make any amendments if necessary. This mapping only needs to be done once. Luca will remember it the next time you run the same company. For disclosures, Luca will guide you through what needs to be included. Simply fill them in accordingly. In the final step, enter your director details and click Next. Luca will now generate your financial statements, and it typically takes less than a minute. And just like that, your FS is ready